Hello, it's Sabia from Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, and here we have some fantastic approved used stock. This is a Transporter Highline 2.0 TDI 150PS in the stylish deep black pearl finish. There are flexible finance packages available, so to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330, where we'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle. This video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment. Now, as you can see, the stunning chrome Volkswagen badge is sitting proudly at the centre there amongst the front grills, and the headlights pair really well with the alloy wheels. And as you can see, it does complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the van. And the wing mirrors do manually fold in to provide extra safety to the vehicle, ensuring you minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. Following on, we can see the deep black pearl finish really does complement well with the alloy wheels, and we also do have our badging in the centre there for that unique look. And underneath we have our rear view cam and our parking sensors for that support whenever we need them. And now as we access the boot directly, you notice we have that fantastic and spacious interior, and we also do have the lashing rings across the surface of the floor, and you'll also benefit from the lighting on the ceiling for added visibility. And these doors will open up very wide to allow you to pack up to a loading bay and to maximise your loading space. This stunning van is available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre, so please don't hesitate to come down and have a look yourself at our dealership. And now as we access the front of the van directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed van filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fitted with an armrest, offering you and your front passengers that relaxing driving experience. Around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit that we will touch on later. So thank you for watching the first part of the video tour of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to stick around, we will be having a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip, offering you a comfortable driving experience. And we also do have the automatic headlights there, ensuring they're always on at their correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side. And now above the steering wheel we do have a cup holder and plenty of storage space to fit all your necessities, especially during the winter days. You can always store your gloves and hats away, as well as having a hot brew right near you. Now once this fantastic van comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst we're on the move. And we also do have our assist systems with functions like the adaptive cruise control to stay safe at a consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring that confidence and comfort throughout your journey. Over to the infotainment screen, we have a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Now heading into our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our Mirror Link, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps. Now we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps you entertained while you're on the move, as you have a wide range of stations to choose from to keep you busy while driving on those long distances. Now you also have the ability to make hands-free calls via Bluetooth, offering you safety and full attention to your surroundings, as it's never a good idea to take calls on your phone while you're on the move, and this way you'll have a more safer approach to taking calls. This van does come with your Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors, along with the rear view cam, ensures you that safety, especially when maneuvering out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be extremely tight. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have the optional extra of the front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering you and your front passengers that cozy driving experience. And towards the right we do have our heated windscreen, and to the left there we have our parking sensors and our automatic start-stop function. And just below that we have even more storage compartments and USB-C type ports for you and your front passengers to enjoy. And finally, to finish this video off, we have our 7-speed DSG right in the center there. So once again, thank you for watching. This has been the stunning approved used Transporter Highline that's currently available at Oldham Volkswagen Fan Centre. If you'd like to come down, have a look at the van yourself, or get yourself a tailored finance quote, please get in touch on 0161 667 8330. We'll be more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.